Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about the Hour 1 affiliate program. It is a professional video creation tool. It focuses on creating videos for business communication. It also provides AI-powered animations. Hour 1 has an excellent affiliate program. You get a 20% commission on every referred customer, valid for the first 12 months of the customer's lifetime. You get a free business account when you refer 10 customers. Getting started with the affiliate program is really easy. You just have to sign up and start promoting. You will earn the commissions from the link you are given. You get access to a lot of resources which can help you earn more money. Hour 1 has solid guidelines. They want you to promote their product honestly. They want you to be upright with your audience. They prohibit you to avoid PPC trademark campaigns and avoid false claims. You earn commissions by sharing your link and referring new paid customers. You get the payouts. Once you are above the threshold of $500, you receive 20% in the first 12 months from conversions. The link to the affiliate program is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.